How about this for the ultimate luxury home for your plants? It's a sun bubble, and it's cleverly constructed out of sturdy and yet flexible fiberglass rods which already have this really heavy duty PVC cover in place. You can then very easily put it up in your garden. Normally something that looks like this fills me full of terror, but this one is a real doddle to get up and running in your garden. The great thing is, as soon as the heat starts to build up in here, and it does that really fast because you've got the warmth and the sun coming in from so many different angles, to make sure it doesn't get too hot, you've got this very clever mechanism on the roof, a whole series of little flaps with a Velcro fitting which allows you to lock them in the open position if you need to, or lock them shut if things are getting a bit windy. That way you're going to get plenty of air circulation, and you're also going to ensure that it doesn't get just too hot. To add to that, there's a great zip-up doorway which allows easy access, so you and your plants can soon start to move in. This one is a massive 3.5 meters wide and 2.2 meters tall, so even people that are a good deal taller than me aren't going to have to crouch and bump their head on the ceiling. But the great thing is, in this extra warmth, crops really take off. Something like these tomatoes are having a whale of a time. They'll be ripe in no time at all. Courgettes, even some beans growing up the centre. But everything is really able to benefit from that protected environment and extra bit of warmth. If you like, you can keep it up year round, but if you don't want to, it packs away really quickly and easily into the kind of carry bag that it comes with. So in no time at all, you can have it back up again early in the next season to get all your plants off to a good start. But there's just one word of warning: this is a seriously snug environment, and in no time at all it's going to start attracting other things in. Members of the family will be wanting to come in here and perhaps sit and play, hide from the worst of the weather, or you might just want to retreat in here and look at the view when the weather starts to turn foul. Me, I think I'm just going to make myself a cup of tea and sneak off and have a sit down.